use our products and tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hi guys! Hello, welcome back! So today, introduce ko sa inyo itong 4 pieces hose connector. So yes, 4 pieces hose connector. So meron tayong 4 na kasama. Kaya 4 pieces, diba? So first, itong 1/2 inch ng hose connector. Then 1/2 inch ng hose connector with water stop. Then 1/2 inch ng tap adapter. Then 1/2 inch ng adjustable nozzle. So, may sample ako dito. But wala lang akong sample ng tap. So, this is mine. So, sorry kung medyo madumi siya. So, anyway, this is mine. So, ito yung nagamit ko. So, ito yung hose. For the hose. And ito yung connector. So, ito yung pang-spray natin. Yung adapter. Ganon siya. So, para malagay mo siya, hindi ko kasi siya malagay lang ng ganyan. Why? Kasi may easy lock na to eh. So, easy lock niya. Ito, pull down mo lang to. Itong yellow sa taas. Insert mo. Bitawan mo yung yellow. Lock mo. So, yes. Ganun siya. Easy lock. May easy lock na talaga siya. Hindi mo matatanggal agad-agad. Then, ito naman, itong yellow na iniikot ko, this is yung para sa hose. So, ipapasok kasi muna dito yung hose. So, pag once nakapasok and, let's imagine, may slip dito. Okay, let's imagine ito hose. Hose sa imagine. So, pagpasok niya, muna, then, ipapasok nyo dito para ma-shoot yung hose dito. Dito. Sa may puta. Then, after mo mapasok yung hose dyan, ipapasok mo na to. Then, ilalock mo siya. Para hindi matanggal ang hose. So, ganyan siya. Then, kapag natanggalin nyo, same thing pa rin. Same thing pa rin. Pull down nyo yung yellow. Para mag-release din, hila. Yes, ganun siya. So, ganun din ang way para kay tap dun sa lababo or yung faucet natin. Is, ito kasi yung pang lagay. Then, ito yung parang pang sprayer natin na adapter. May white kasi siya dito sa gitna. Okay, so yun yung difference ni tap and para kay hose. Meron naman dito sa likod na sample na picture. So, pwede nyo siya sundan. And this one, mga plantitas and plantitos of Manila, of Philippines, under siya ng garden nest. Garden nest, yung department niya or yung series niya, that is all for mga pot, plants, and yung mga may hilig mag-alaga ng halaman. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. Please look forward to mga future videos namin and watch our previous videos for support and for knowledge about Tolsen Tools. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.